Hi, my mom's gonna help. Okay.
Alright, bud, come here. When you dry these, okay?
Okay.
Well, we got a paper towel over here. Grab your paper towel. Got it right there. We're going to go ahead and put them on the paper towel. You will go ahead and pick them up and just put a little bit on the paper towel. Okay, that's good. You're fine. Okay. And you're just going to very lightly pat them dry. Be careful because they're warm. Okay? Like that. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then, yes, they're going to stick. So we're just going to scrape them off. Ooh, they're warm.
Hot?
Yes.
They're on fire?
No. Alright, you ready? We're going to pick up the paper towel. We're going to bring them over here.
Okay.
Here. We're going to spill them onto the cookie sheet. Go ahead. Open up this paper towel. It's okay. Here. Get them off the paper towel. Here, stop.
I'll get the other ones.
Throw them in the garbage. They're dirty.
I know.
Come here and help me pick them off.
Oh, we're missing one.
Okay, here, help.
No, we're missing one.
Got it. Well, pick it off. Here.
Oh yeah, they're hot. They're hot. They're hot.
They're warm.